Welcome to Ganesh Love Coding channel. Today we are discussing how to install the JDK. Okay, JDK installer of latest version. Okay, then step 1 is go to the Chrome browser and search for the JDK latest version. Okay, then we are going to the Chrome, and in Chrome we are searching for the latest version. Okay, latest version we are going for the JDK, sorry, Java developer. In Java developer, we are selecting the 64-bit. Okay, we are selecting the 64-bit. We are selecting the Windows first in the 64-bit. To check whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit or operating system, we are going to the control panel. In control panel, system and securities, here you can see, and systems. In system type we used to get, in that 64-bit will be shown. See, 64-bit, nothing but 64-bit operating system. Okay, we have been confirmed that it is a 64-bit operating system. Okay, then by clicking on it, it will be download. It is showing, see, I have been clicked. I have been already downloaded. That's why I'm keeping it paused and I am closing it. Okay, then. Okay, once we download, we will go to the download folder and we will double click on it. Okay, our second step is go to download folder and double click on JDK 21. Okay, then we will go for the download folder and double click on it. Our download folder. Okay, you can see now clearly. Okay, then. Okay. I'm going for download folder and then we will click on the double click on it. When we double click on it, we will get the one dialog box. Okay, it will take some seconds. Please wait. Okay, click on the S button, often getting the dialog box, and it will take little bit time to load. And click on the next, and you will get the option of close lastly. Click on it and close it. Okay, after closing it, we will be going to the folder section. Let us, it is taking time. We will wait. Okay, it will take 1 or 2 minutes moreover. Okay, we have been gotten this. Okay, we have been got, then we click on it, close. After closing, we will go to the this PC. In this PC C folder. In C folder, programming files. Programming files and Java. In Java, we are going for JDK 21. In JDK 21 bin file. Click on here. After that, Control A, select all and Control C for copy. After copying that, close it. And copy the path of JDK and paste to the path of and paste in the path. Okay, and paste in the path. Okay, so that's our next step is to paste in the path. We have to open, we have to search in the search bar in Windows search bar. We are searching that env. Okay, then we are searching here env. When we search env, we are getting the edit the system variable. Edit the system variable. Click on it. Okay, edit the system environmental variable we are getting. Click on it. After clicking on it, we are getting the one dialog box. Okay, guys, we will clear moving. Okay. Now you can see able to see we are getting the system property. In system properties, we are going to the environmental variable. Click on it. After click on it, we are getting one more dialog box. One more dialog box. One more dialog box. In that, we are going to the system variable. In system variable, if the path is not available, go to new button and click on it. If path is available, edit. After going to here, whatever you are copied, paste here, control V. After pasting it, click on the OK button and OK button, and after that we have been came into here also OK button. Nothing but system properties, OK button. After that, we have been completed, fully installation has been completed of the JDK. Okay, now we will write the steps to understand more clearly. Okay, then. Okay, in set step, okay, in Windows searching bar environmental env. After that, uh, go to go to environmental variable. Okay, after that, go to environmental variable. We are going to in that one more dialog box will be open. In the dialog box, we are writing system uh, system variable. Nothing but system variable. In system variable, we are if the path folder is there, edit it, or else create the new button will be will be shown below. Shown below. Okay, let us show you where it is be in that environmental variable. In environmental, see here is a new button. If path is not available, go for new. If path is available, edit. Okay, then in path. Okay, then after opening the path, after opening the path, paste the path of it. You have to paste this path, and it will be run after pasting its path. And eighth step is click on OK button for 3 times. Okay. After clicking the 3 times, and step 9 is open CMD. Open CMD is nothing but command prompt. After opening the command prompt, enter the Java version. Okay, you will get the version of the whatever JDK install your version is, it will be shown. If it is showing, it is installed successfully. If want, you can type Java PA also for for it is for knowing it is installed successfully. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Whether checking it is installed successfully or not. Okay, then we will open the command prompt. It is a last step of our video. Okay, then I am pressing Java version. Okay, see, we have been getting the Java JDK 21. After that, we are entering Java P. See, we are getting the folder of it. Okay, guys. We will meet to in the next video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Okay, guys. We will meet in the next video.